So while you are busy mining on Telegram, there are people that are out there busy preparing to drain all what you have been working for. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you 3 major Telegram hacks that you need to put in place in order to protect your wallet, in order to avoid being hacked or drained. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. You are welcome to the practical aspect of this video. So right here, I'm going to my Telegram and I'm here. By the way, I've been on Telegram for so long. So I will just click on this chat right here. So but meanwhile, settings on iPhone is direct here, but if you are using an Android phone, you are going to see 3 lines up here, so that when you click on it, it's going to show you settings, because all the 3 things I'm going to be talking about is going to be from settings. So the first one I will show you is knowing how many people have access to your Telegram. I was shocked when I discovered that about 4 of my phones are on this Telegram and people are using it elsewhere without them knowing that it's still signed in on Telegram. So the first thing you need to do is to click on settings. When you click on settings, right here, you click on devices. When you click on devices here, it will show you how many devices that you have signed on to. Okay, so you will now remove them. And not only that, here you can set it that if you are offline for 1 week, the Telegram should log you out, or 1 month, or 3 months, or 6 months. Okay, so I think I left my own for 1 month, okay, which is very important. If not, there are so many people now that they know what is trending, all the mining and good things that are coming to Telegram. They check their phones, maybe phones that they have used before or other things, and they can access and log you out of your Telegram, which is very important. So the second hack I want to show you is, I know that with all these mining apps that are on Telegram is overwhelming, and sometimes you end up having 20, you will forget to even receive some. Most especially the ones that once you forget day 1, it will take you, maybe you are in day 10, it will take you back to day 1. So what you need to do is to click on your settings. When you click on your settings, you click on chat. What we are trying to do is we are going to make sure that all the mining chat, will put them together in one place, so that the moment we open, we can follow them one after the other. So when you click on chat folder, okay, you click on create. When you click on create folder, the next thing you are going to do is to add chat. But before you add chat, you can give it a name. You can even name it mining app or mining chat, or whatever name you want to use it. So when you put the name, you can now click on add chat. So when you now go, like I am mining, let's say hot now, I can click here. So you can click as many as you want. Once you click on them, you now click on done. By so doing, okay, you see I click on create. So that is that. By so doing, I have a folder that whenever I come onto that folder, I'll be able to access all the Telegram mining apps or chats that I can go in and do my mining for the day. So before I tell you the third one, please like this video. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Drop a beautiful comment for me if you want more content like this one. I'm creating more content on mining. I talk about runestone in my other video. The next video is going to be about that runestone and how you can access that. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And I have a Telegram group of over almost 3,000 members. So I will drop the link in the description of this video, where I'll be dropping latest updates. But beware of scammers. I will never DM you first to ask you for anything. Never. So the third hack I want to show you is, I see a lot of people keep talking about their battery is now getting drained because they are doing a lot on Telegram, this and that and that. So I want to show you what needed to be done. So right here, if you go to your when you click on your settings, you click on power saving. When you click on power saving, you turn off all this. These are the things that are draining your battery. You turn them off, turn all of them off. Okay, and you, not only that, you can also decide that the battery saving, maybe this should be turned off when your battery is 25% or whatsoever. You can set it here, and voila, that is that. I have a lot to talk about Telegram because I've been using Telegram for a very long time. So if you are interested in knowing more about Telegram, comment Telegram in the comment section, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye, thanks for watching.